Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry effectively. To begin, always focus on understanding the fundamental principles rather than just memorizing facts. Break down complex topics into smaller, manageable sections. This approach helps build a strong foundation, making advanced concepts easier to grasp. Consistent effort in understanding the basics is key to mastering chemistry. When learning new material, don't just read, actively engage with the content. Ask yourself why things happen in chemical reactions and processes. Utilize diagrams and models to visualize abstract concepts, which can make them much clearer. Linking new information to what you already know creates stronger memory pathways, enhancing your overall comprehension. Consistent practice is absolutely crucial for success in chemistry. Dedicate time each day to solving numerical problems and balancing chemical equations. Make sure to complete all questions at the end of each chapter in your textbook. Additionally, working through past exam papers will familiarize you with question styles and improve your time management skills. To retain information, employ effective memorization techniques. Flashcards are excellent for formulas, reactions, and definitions. Mnemonic devices can help you recall complex sequences or lists. Schedule weekly review sessions to revisit older topics, preventing them from fading from memory. A fantastic way to solidify your understanding is to explain concepts to a friend or family member.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.